Marcano Studios Christmas version.
LTASC, we are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8, let's get going.
Some sounds are short, which is Raya's burping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Omarashi's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are super long, like Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
What's up, people on YouTube? It's me, IRL Noella. In this episode, I'm going to talk about the peeing sound effect from livi-chann. It's from a video called Callie's Embarrassment. It was uploaded on December 8th, 2025, which was 6 days ago. The duration of the sound effect is 26 to 33. Let's see how many total seconds are from this video. It's 7. The lofi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See, that's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for my OCs and characters when they pee in the toilet. And this sound effect is used for boys. And it's also used for Untold Loneliness Oswald as well. Remember, kids, if you want to use this sound effect, use it in your videos. But be sure to give credit to livi-chann before using the sound effect. Also, I'm linking the video right here, and it will be in the description. The sound effect starts at 26 and ends at 33. Make sure you remove the lofi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in a few episodes. Yes, I'll see you later in a few episodes.